Hello everybody, I want to show you this video how you can enable the developer options at the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G. There's a new operating system out there, it's the HyperOS, and I will show you it for the newest version now. Okay, let me show you what you need first. These are the settings. Okay, look out for the settings app here it is. Then you will need now the first point about phone. Now you will need the point OS version, and you have to tap now the OS version number for 7 times. Below you can see already a countdown, and then you are a developer here for the phone. Okay, where are the developer options right now? For that we need to go back one step here, so that we are back in the general settings. And now you need to scroll down to the point additional settings. And here we have the developer options almost at the end. Here they are. Okay, now you can do the stuff you wanted to do, maybe to enable the stay awake mode or the USB debugging, or so much more. If you're ready with the stuff you wanted to do, you can also disable them here on top directly like that. And yeah, they are no more there. But you can have the developer options always back by just tapping 7 times on the build number or on the OS version number in that case here, like I have shown you before. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me something out. That would be very helpful for more videos. Thank you so much for. Yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe till next time. Ciao.